Hey guys, how you doing? Dr. Dave, I am the RV dummy here with my van Sireny in back of me here. So many of you have been asking me for quite some time, well, Dr. Dave, the RV dummy, can we actually see your rig? A lot of times you're broadcasting from other places, and we want to see exactly what your rig looks like. So today, I'm going to show you everything inside and out. We'll do it kind of quickly so I don't bore you, but I'm using something where I can quickly turn things around. So what I'm going to do right now is turn the camera around, and here is my rig. As you can see, it's a Class B. It's a Pleasureway based on the Ford E350 chassis. Yep, I've got my vanity plate because that's the name of our van. Sireny is the name of our van. And let's just take a quick walk around Sireny, and you can see this thing's in fantastic shape. I mean, look, the tires are. I'm the one that believes in having really, really good new good tread tires. Let's take a look around here. I won't bore you and show you like the gray tank and the black tank and the storage, but suffice it to say we've got storage underneath here. Let's go around to the back here. And don't worry, we're going to walk in a few minutes. We're going to walk in, but here is the rig from behind. Okay, I just try to keep it in like really, really, really good, pristine condition. And here we are on the other side. So you want to take a walk in? Let's just take a walk in and see what's going on inside of Sireny. So we're going to go in this door right here. I hope it's bright enough for everybody to see. We have a little welcome mat. Yoko is in charge of like all this like cool kind of stuff here. So as we walk in, let's see if we can get a good view of what's going on here. So we'll start off in the front, and there's the coach area. Nice seats. These are not leather. They're like leatherette. They're very, very, very comfortable. But being vegan, I'm actually glad they're not leather, because I don't love sitting on leather. Um, Instrument panel, everything right here. We put in is an um, aftermarket system, whereas the audio system with complete backup camera and everything like that. Put a little thermometer right there that has an outdoor sensor. Let's see, what else do you want to see here? We've got overhead storage here, like so in other words, right over the captain's area right here. Right now there's not a lot of stuff in there. Overhead storage right there. If I back up a little bit, you can see we've got the windows right here with shades on them, with drapes, shades or drapes, whatever you want to call them. Here's the instrument panels. I won't do all of them, but right now you can see our battery is looking pretty good, which the freshwater tank is fairly full. Black is empty, so all the tanks are empty. That's good. The generator works every time right away. It pretty much, I'll do it right now just to show you. Like this thing never fails me. Starts right up every single time. I just love it. We'll turn it off now though. And we got our water heater right here, along with control panel for that's for what's it for? It's for the is it for the CO2? What's it for? I can't remember that's CO2 or I think that what is it? Okay, what is it? What does it say? Let's see what it says. I don't really mess with this too much, but I believe that is carbon monoxide, I believe. Yep, alarm. Light switch here. As we turn around, we see microwave oven. This is the bathroom. It's a full bathroom. So in other words, a lot of these Class Bs, you're sitting on the toilet and you're like halfway out in the hallway. No, this is a totally, totally enclosed bathroom. Once you're inside there, The whole door closes, and there's a lot of room. There's like more room in this bathroom than most airplane bathrooms, I think. So, and shower right there. Take a look this way. Here we have the sink. This lifts up. You can see we have a totally functional sink here. Refrigerator, stove. The guy that sold this to me, he made this like it's a cutting board, and it sits on the stove. So when we're not using the stove, we can kind of use this as just a countertop or a cutting board. And here's the stove. You can see everything in here. We just keep it in pristine condition. Storage, 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 storage. As we come back here, we have two chairs, one right here, one right here. And then this sofa in the back, this electrically will fold down and become I won't do it now, but it'll become a king size bed. King size. No, you did not misunderstand me. King size bed. I am 6 feet and 2 inches tall, and I can get a really, really super good night's sleep on this thing because of the size of it, as opposed to the one we had in our previous Class B, which was just not in the leisure travel. It just wasn't big enough for me. It was okay, but not big enough. Plenty of storage here, by the way. Storage. Let me back up here. This is above the sink. Storage here. More storage here. Now, of course, once we're on the road, we pack a lot more stuff into here. Right now, it's basically empty. More storage. This same thing. This comes down right here, and there's more storage here. Plenty of overhead storage. Air conditioner right there. More storage. Now, this one is filled with linens and blankets and stuff like that. I've got a vision board. When we're traveling, we usually write on the vision board like what made me happy today, and we fill in things like just even being together with our cat in Sarony makes us really, really happy. So come down here, and we have a TV and another audio system that's Bluetooth. So if we're sitting in the back area, like resting in the back area, we can plug in. You can plug in an iPhone to this TV right here. We've got cables right here. So I just plug my iPhone in, and anything, if I want to watch a YouTube video or stream something directly to the TV, it's really, really, really simple. I never, ever, ever use the antenna just because basically I can't even get the thing to work. But I don't really watch much TV as far as like terrestrial TV. I don't watch that anyway. So a combination of TV and an audio system here and speakers like that, it's kind of all we need. It's like perfect for us. And speaking of those little tiny things I've added, these little switches, besides the lighting that comes in the van, we added these little stick-on switches, and their batteries seem to last forever, and they're really good. They really light the thing up. And it takes minimal power. I think that's it. Here's a little stuffed animal and pillow here. But let me turn this around for a second. Here we go. I think I've kind of showed you everything that I need to show you. Oh, it's got a fantastic fan up there. I don't think you need to see that, but well, show it to you. For those of you that just want to see the fantastic fan, there it is right there. And you get a better view from I'm sitting all the way in the back of the rig right now. You get a better view right there. So that's pretty much what I've got. And the reason I wanted to do this is just show you our van, what we've done to it. It's very, very comfortable for two people. I wouldn't want to use it for more than two. I think a Class B is really perfect for two people, but no more. Two people and a pet is beautiful. And I just want to reiterate that it's one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life to buy an RV, not only an RV, but a Class B Pleasureway. It's been a great decision. I love driving it. It's easy to drive. It's fun to drive. We can make anything in the US our backyard for the night or for a week or for a month. It's kind of, it's like heaven. We really enjoy it. It's brought a lot of peace to our lives. But on the other hand, as I've said in many of my episodes before, um, only buy what you can afford. And when I say what you can afford, I mean if you can't pay cash for something, you really can't afford it. And don't try to stretch it and come up with all these reasons why you think you can get something that's way beyond your financial ability just because you want it or you deserve it. No, that you got to make sure you do it right, because once you buy a rig, there's going to be things that come up as far as repairs and maintenance and add-ons and aftermarket ideas you come up with. It's never ending. So I want you to be very careful in your purchase, evaluating what you're going to get, and not only that, making sure you can afford it. You're not putting it on a credit card, you're not taking a loan out, and it's not going to affect your retirement plan at all. Okay, let's step out of the rig here and I'll say goodbye to you outside. It's a beautiful day, and we're looking forward to getting back on the road really soon. Hang on, I'm just putting my shoes on. But by the way, we never walk with shoes in our van here. We always take our shoes off, kind of Japanese style. We take our shoes off in the front at the mat, the welcome mat. Let me slip out of here. I'll give you one more view. There she is right there. You can see why we love it. And before I go today, the sun is weird. It's making my hair not look gray, but like white. My hair is usually gray. It's not really white. Just to let you know if you see me in person somewhere. Uh, anyway, again, like I always say, thank you so much for being a viewer, a friend. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there somewhere. It's down there or there. I'm not sure which angle it's going to be at today, but subscribe to my channel because I'm here for you. And I've got so many people here that either already own an RV and want to kind of have a sense of community and want to learn a little bit more, or people that are thinking about buying one and hanging out with me and some other like-minded people here and kind of helping you every step of the way about what you should do, what you shouldn't do. And I hope I can be of help. If you ever have any questions, remember, I'm the RV dummy. I know just enough to hopefully help you out in your, hopefully to fulfill your dream of RVing. I've said enough for today. Thanks so much for being with me. Dr. Dave, the RV dummy. Until next time, I am your faithful servant. I am. See you later.